So you just bought your new GPU. What's next? You're probably wondering to yourself, how the hell do I install this thing? Luckily, I've got you covered today. I'm going to show you exactly how you take out your old GPU and install the new one and make sure everything is running perfectly. GPU installation is not hard. It's probably one of the easiest parts you will ever change out in your PC. Today we will be working with the AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT. Which we are going to install today, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. This is what the PC was looking like before we installed the GPU. When you get your GPU, it's probably going to come in a box like this. Make sure you keep this box. If you want to secure the limited warranty, just in case anything happens to this thing in the future, you need everything to send it back to the manufacturer. Every single thing that comes in this box, you will need to keep. Please keep that in mind. All right, we are just gonna open this thing right on up, making sure we're keeping, again, all of the packaging that this thing comes with. This is what my box is like. I have the gigabyte version. This is the 16 gig. All right, and as soon as you are opening up the package, just take this on and off. Beautiful. All right, it's going to come in this static bag. Make sure, once again, you are keeping this bag as well. You will need this if you need to return it. We're just gonna take this sucker out, put it off to the side, and take this, throw it to the side. You're gonna wanna find these two PCLE cables, and you will pull both of them out. Next, you want to go to the back and unscrew the GPU bracket. Now you want to find the clip on the motherboard, and once you have located that, you want to push it all the way down. Now, unlike I did, pull the GPU out with both hands. All right, now that we have uninstalled the old GPU, we are going to open this puppy up. All right, be careful while taking out, but we're going to take it out of this static bag. Once again, keeping that static bag. And there we have it, the Radeon RX 7600 XT. This is the 3-fan version. When you receive your card, make sure number one thing is that all of these slots on the back for HDMI, DisplayPort, you're going to want to take these out. And once again, keep these. I know I'm saying it a ton, but if you would like to return this in the future because it's broken or whatever, you're going to need every single piece. You also want to take this off of the top. Make sure you do not leave that on, because if not, it will not sit in a slot properly. Make sure you have located the slot where your GPU is going to sit. Make sure you line up the slot with the GPU and slowly push down until you hear a click. Now we need to screw the GPU back into the bracket. Now take the PCLE cables and plug them into the GPU. Alright, and for both of these, you're going to make sure you're wanting to hear that clicking noise. Whenever you're putting this in, this here, right there, as soon as it goes in, it's going to make a nice click noise, knowing that they are secure. Once you get it in, I'm going to show you that clicking noise. There you go, right there. Now both of these cables have been collected, and once again, that's going to be running to the power supply here. So those should already be plugged in. If not, make sure you check your power supplies manual to see where the cables run. But just like that, all you really need to do now is plug the thing back in and turn it on. And just like that, turn the PC on. Hopefully it boots. And it does. It's probably going to run you through some of these boot lights. Completely normal. Alrighty, and there you have it. It is officially booted up. Now let me take you on the PC and show you what to do next. Congratulations, you have now installed your new GPU into your PC. Now, one recommendation I would say for anyone, no matter what GPU you have, is get yourself a bracket. It doesn't have to be this one, not brand specific or whatever. I've seen bracketing mounts work a lot better. This was just a $10 option on Amazon, which I will leave linked down below if you want to pick up one of these. This thing is nice. All you do is unscrew it, fit it to the size of your GPU, and add it. All right, after you have installed your new GPU, the first thing you're want to do is go over to Chrome, whatever you use, Microsoft Edge. All right, all we are going to do is look up AMD GPU software. I did forget to mention in the video, if you are using a Intel or a NVIDIA GPU, that your software is going to be a little different. Just for this GPU installation, I'm using AMD, but it is the same with NVIDIA and I'm sure Intel. I haven't looked much into it, but you're just looking up their driver software and then installing it. We are going to click on the first link and we are going to download. After you download, make sure you open it. It might look like this, not 100% sure. I already have it downloaded. I've already had this used. So all you're going to do is go over here, make sure your drivers are up to date. If they are, then you are all good and ready to start gaming. If they are not, make sure you update them to the newest ones or whatever your thing is capable of running. Over on this right side, when you click the settings and you go to system, it's going to show you all of this on the side. Make sure it is the correct GPU, especially if you're buying it from somebody who might be shady. Sometimes people will open up the GPUs and swap out the components. It might look like you're getting a steal on a GPU, but maybe they swapped out the parts and you're getting something that is a decade old. If you guys found this video helpful in any way and you want to help me out, once again, you can like, subscribe, whatever. I will leave the link to the AMD software and the bracket mounts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you let me know and I will see you guys later.